Thanks for being with me here on this video. So today is weigh-in day. So this is week 17 of my journey that I've reboosted, re-kicked, restarted, re-energized. And you know what, when I rebooted this journey, I thought I was going to get this boost of energy from somewhere and it was going to be all plain sailing, but it hasn't been. And if you've been following my journey, you know that it's been up and down, it's been mixed, but overall it's been good. And in lockdown, it's just helped me to really refocus and reprioritize and really think about me and my body and what I want, what I want for my health. So it's been good. But in saying that, I stepped on the scales 3 pounds off this week, so I'm really pleased. Now I'd love to say that that's because I've been bang on my plan, following it. I'd love to say that, but I think the reality of that is last week I had a steroid injection because I was all really badly inflamed, and it's kicking in and I'm losing the inflammation from my body. So I think that is down, a lot of it is down to that. But you know what, I'm not taking anything away. It's 3 pounds off, and I'm just a pound and a half away from being into the next stone bracket. So I'm really pleased about that. And just for you American viewers, here in the UK, I know some of you get really confused with our pounds and stones, and I know, but there's 14 pounds in a stone. So here in the UK we talk about stones and pounds. And I know in America you talk about pounds, and over in Europe it's kilos, and in Europe it's, and actually they're trying to bring it over here in the medical profession. If you go to the doctors, they talk about kilos, and there's 2.2 pounds make up 1 kilo. But I can't get my head around the kilos. I'm just used to the good old stones and pounds. So yeah, I'm a pound and a half away from my next big milestone. So yes, I'm really gonna give it a good go this week. So I'm in the kitchen.